Brenneke, and I'm coming to you from the Where Pigs Fly Farm. And I am here with Amigo. Are you telling everybody hi? Yes. Anyway, we are located out in Linn, Missouri. If you've not heard of us, we are an animal rescue sanctuary. We also have America's only pig museum. And Amigo definitely wants to tell you hi. She's quite the talker. Amigo came from Texas. Pretty much all the animals here are rescues. You can meet a lot of great animals. And in our videos, what we do is we go through and we feature the animals that are here, so that way you can learn a little bit more about them. You can go to our channel, you can watch them, and learn all about the animals before you come out to visit. You can also learn a lot about animals that you may be considering pets. So anyway, stay tuned, and if you have any questions or comments, please place them below, and we will get back to you. Also, if you send us a question or comment, we will send you 2 free tickets to the farm so you can come and visit. Okay, so stay tuned, and hopefully you learn a lot. If you learn a lot, hit that like button. Thanks. Have a good day. Yes, so here we go. There are actually many different Amazon species in quite a variety of colors. Their origins are from South America to Mexico and the Caribbean. The male parrot is a cock, the female a hen, and the baby a chick. Amazons are definitely one of your longer living pets, as they can live up to 50 years or longer. Generally, their weight is anywhere from 12 to 21 ounces, and their height is from 10 to 20 inches from the beak to the tip of the tail, depending upon the breed. Depending upon the type of Amazon, she will lay 1 to 4 eggs in her nest, and then it will take about 28 days for those eggs to hatch. And then mom and dad will both help raise those babies. Amazons are awesome pets, but they're not for everyone. There are a few things to keep in mind. Number 1, they are extremely loud. They are able to communicate over many, many miles, and they will be trying to communicate with you quite often with their squawks. Amazons also require a lot of space. You will need a cage minimally 30 by 36 by 48. However, I highly recommend an even larger space. This is our bird room. What you see here is our avian area. It actually extends past where you see those birds sitting. It extends past there about 15 feet, so they can go back in there to get away from the human visitors if they would like. However, most of them actually prefer the visitors. As you can see, they've all kind of got their own little areas where they're generally hanging out to eat and drink. You can hear Max over here in the corner. He's kind of a loner over here with his little girlfriend Linn. He can somebody try to get a pursuit and stuff. So as you can see, we have plenty of toys and things for the parrots to keep them entertained. Very important to keep your parrot entertained. So anyway, this is a good idea of what our bird room looks like, and we've actually started on a outdoor avian area, which will be about 20 feet by 60 feet. Very excited about getting that opened up. Of course, you need to make sure that your parrot is eating properly also. Here you can see that we have different feed and water stands set up so they can go to individual places to eat and drink. Now, what we do is we purchase different high-quality parrot-sized food mix that we feed them, but then we also give them fresh fruits and vegetables. They absolutely love their carrots. They like their bananas. They also get peanuts, spinach, you name it. They can pretty much eat it. They even eat meat. Anyway, there have been a ton of books written. There are all kinds of professionals out there that can give you the full details on just exactly how you need to feed your parrot. If you are planning on purchasing an Amazon, please keep in mind this is a very intelligent bird. They do not want to be left alone in cages. They enjoy playing and interacting. If you want a bird or any other animal as far as that's concerned, remember, you are there to interact with that animal, not just simply throw it in a cage, walk off, and forget about it. Keep this in mind. Amazons are also the best talkers. This is what Max had to say when I asked him if he liked it here.
I love it. You love it? Oh, that's sweet. That's very
Now keep in mind, your parrot is not simply a tape recorder, although some of them are very quick studies. You must work with the bird and teach them how to talk. You can't simply throw them into a cage and expect them to know. So again, spend time with your baby. Hopefully you guys learned a thing or two about Amazons today. We're going to wrap it up here. If you enjoyed this video, if you learned a thing or two, please hit that like button. And if you like our videos, hit the subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. And bang on that bell. Okay, I'm the one talking and you're yelling in my ear. Anyways, we will be looking forward to seeing you more in the future. Also, please make a comment below. Let us know what animals you want to hear about, what you want to learn about, and we will be sure to feature that in our next video. Also, when you comment below, we will send you 2 free tickets to the farm. That's a $10 value. We get visitors from all over the world, so hey, you never know when you're going to be in town. Give us a comment. We'll send you some tickets, and hopefully we'll see you soon.